An XRP community member has spotted a major discrepancy in the SEC argument against Ripple. By the way, will there be monetary recovery if Judge Torres rules that XRP sales between 2012 and 2015 are securities? Also, XRP Ledger payment is now supported by a leading e-commerce platform, thereby expanding XRPL payment access to a vast number of online stores. Finally, can XRP drop to 10 cents? Greg has noted that while XRP dropping to the 10 cents level is possible even though it is highly debatable, the probabilities of such an event happening are rather low. Stick with me till the end to find out more. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 30th of April. Prominent XRP influencer Mr. Huber has shared two documents showing a significant discrepancy in SEC's arguments in its lawsuit against Ripple. In a tweet yesterday, Mr. Huber pointed out that the SEC noted in its framework for investment contract analysis of digital assets that the status of development of a token is relevant in determining whether the project satisfies the third prong of the Howey test. In the document, the SEC asserts that a digital asset satisfies the third prong of Howey if purchasers of a digital asset expect an AP, active participant, to be performing or overseeing tasks that are necessary for the network or digital asset to achieve or retain its intended purpose or functionality. However, the Securities and Exchange Commission made a contrary statement in its argument against Ripple. Responding to a question raised by Ripple chairman Chris Larsen about the exact date the XRP Ledger became fully functional, the securities regulators argued that whether and when the XRPL became fully functional is irrelevant under Howey. It remains to be seen whether the discovery might be influential in the final ruling of the lawsuit, which is expected to come any moment from now, as predicted by crypto law founder attorney John Deaton. The development has sparked reactions among XRP community members who took to Twitter to slam the behavior of the Securities and Exchange Commission. A cryptocurrency enthusiast first knocked the SEC for being dishonest with the public and the law. The SEC isn't truthful to the public, nor the law, he said. In a similar development, Ashley Prosper, an XRP community member who alleges that JP Morgan influenced the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, said Judge Sarah Netburn was correct to describe the regulator as hypocritical and unfaithful to the law. Recall that Judge Netburn, last July, slammed the SEC for not acting in faithful allegiance to the law but in pursuit of its goal of expanding its control over the emerging market. She made the comment based on the SEC's shifting stance on the controversial William Hinman documents. It is noteworthy that the SEC had initially argued that the controversial speech in which Hinman declared Bitcoin and Ethereum as non-securities represented his personal views and not the agency's opinion. Interestingly, when the SEC saw that it was losing the argument, it changed its stance, saying that attorney-client privilege protects the documents because Hinman consulted SEC lawyers while drafting the speech. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. As the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC approaches its end, crypto community members and legal experts have been discussing the possible outcome of the case. In a tweet yesterday, a former SEC lawyer Mark Fagel disclosed that there won't be monetary recovery if Judge Torres rules that early XRP sales from 2012 to 2015 are securities. Fagel made this known after an XRP community member raised a question regarding a recent Unchained podcast interview with Jason Gottlieb, a partner at Morrison Cohen. In the interview, Gottlieb said the SEC cannot charge Ethereum founders with offering unregistered security due to a 5-year statute of limitations in place. According to Gottlieb, Ethereum was issued 5 years ago, which makes it difficult for the SEC to make a move against the cryptocurrency. Following Gottlieb's remark, an XRP community member asked why Ripple didn't use the 5-year statute of limitations argument as a defense in the case, given that XRP was first issued in 2012 and the SEC sued Ripple in 2020, which represents an 8-year difference. Responding to the question, Fejl said the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is not barred by the 5-year statute of limitations because the securities regulator alleged that defendants sold XRP as a part of unregistered securities from 2012 through 2020. Fejl added that any monetary recovery would be limited to the 5 years before the SEC officially charged Ripple with violating securities laws. Bill Morgan, a pro-XRP lawyer, raised a question about the monetary recovery issue, saying, "So if Judge Torres finds early sales of XRP from 2012 to 2015 are investment contracts but not sales after 2015, there is no monetary recovery?" Fejl asserted that in the recent change of law, early XRP investors between 2012 and 2015 would get non-monetary relief if Judge Torres considers the transactions as securities. Furthermore, XRP and other XRPL tokens can now be used as payment at over 1 million online stores, as some makes a huge leap in e-commerce. XRP Labs made the exciting announcement that Sum is now integrated with Equid by Lightspeed, a leading e-commerce platform. This collaboration enables more than 1 million Equid stores to add Sum as a payment option, complete with pathfinding capabilities. This significant advancement expands XRPL payment access to a vast number of online stores while boosting cross-border and cross-currency transactions. Owing to the collaboration, customers can pay with any asset they own on the XRP Ledger, including XRP. This creates an environment for both fiat and cryptocurrency payments while providing certainty for the store owner, who receives a 100% backed USD, Euro, or GBP stablecoin. XRPL developer Weetse Wind tweeted excitedly about the development. "This is a milestone for XRP Labs, for Sum wallet and utility on the XRP Ledger," he said. As stated in the blog post, XRP Labs is also actively engaging with other e-commerce platforms to include Sum as a payment service provider, bringing vast utility to XRPL. Now to the big question of the day: can XRP drop to 10 cents? Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. XRP is caught in the ongoing bloodbath, as the bears recently pushed it below the 45 cents territory for the first time in almost a month. Despite a modest recovery, an analysis had forecasted a drop to 10 cents. Y, a notable crypto analyst, weighs in on the possibility. Taking to Twitter to share his insights, Y suggested that the idea, which came from a friend of his, is actually debatable. According to Y, XRP has so far continued to follow his preset technical indicators and analytical tools such as his proposed Fibonacci targets. However, the analyst noted that the idea of XRP's price plummeting to 10 cents is not supported by any specific key technical indicators or Fibonacci targets. Instead, the idea seems to be based solely on personal opinion or speculation that a retest of this price range may be necessary or likely. Y emphasized that while there is a possibility of XRP dropping to 10 cents, the likelihood of this occurring is very low. However, a significant regulatory crackdown could potentially lead to such a drop. He argued that cryptocurrencies may have become somewhat immune to normal economic black swan events, but they are not entirely invulnerable to significant price drops due to unexpected circumstances. Consequently, any substantial XRP drop to 10 cents would likely be due to regulatory actions, particularly if they are perceived as unjust or excessive. Recall that investors and industry leaders are anticipating a ruling on the Ripple vs. SEC case. Experts predict a significant market shift arising from it. John Deaton, who serves as an amicus curiae on the case, has suggested that a ruling may come before May 6th. Y noted that if XRP were to drop to 10 cents, he would buy a significant amount of it because he believes that traditional players such as banks, institutional investors, and hedge funds may be intentionally driving down the price in order to purchase digital assets at a low cost. Conclusively, the analyst thinks such a drop is not possible from a technical analysis view, but a rare black swan event caused by unfair regulation is capable of triggering it. He believes that if this happened, it would be a generational opportunity to purchase the asset. However, this should not serve as investment advice. Meanwhile, XRP is currently struggling to reclaim the 50 cents price level after dropping to 44 cents in the market-wide turbulence. The asset has gained by 0.5% in the past 24 hours, currently trading for 45 cents. Recall that Y had previously predicted that XRP could revisit the territory between 43 cents and 48 cents. The asset was trading for 50 cents at the time. So we come to the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.